Yo guys, we're gonna be playing some Risk of Rain 2 today. I usually wouldn't. Sorry, I could tell I got the mic off. I would usually not play this game because I use controller. But, you know, I wanna see how this works. So we're gonna play some Risk of Rain 2 on PC. This basically is one of I won't be that good because I'm not that good at Risk of Rain. I'm a meh. I've got every single, well, not on this one. If you're wondering, I've actually got a lot of good stuff on this, but on my Xbox I've got a sweat on my Xbox. I'm a sweaty twat. So I don't, so the M1 is this. Oh, I understand this now. Oh, I understand this now. Never mind, Steven. Oh, that's fine. I kind of like this better. Come on, B. Try me. Try me. Try me. How do I run? Tab. I don't. How do I run there? Oh. Oh, you can come on. Oh, okay. Stand there. Oh, hell yeah. Slid. Now boy, try you go. Weak, mate. Try me, but I can't me. Try me, the bustling fungus. Bustling fungus. Ammo. Yippe. I have like 3 videos there. They post them. Try me! Try me! No! My voice! No! How could you? Please, man! What did you do to you? How are you alive? I thought you died! Oh, no, he's dead. Never mind. God damn water. I couldn't kill me. I'm immortal. Ah. Classic Risk of Rain gameplay. With an insane man and a goddamn turret. Love it. Is that possible from this? No, it's walking. Oh, extra my leg walking though. Oh, give me a walk, eh? Give me it now. Give me a knife. I thought I lost the marker then. Oh, I got a marker for a marker. Oh, marker. That's it. Marker. 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 Marker is simmer sana. Una de signa. I can speak French. Should I speak French? Bonjour! Bonjour, seals! I don't know French. Seal, I think. Seal you! Shadow realm! I did not think I'd play this game today, but get out, mate! Who fucking smite me? 360 no scope! You don't see anything. You do not see anything. You did not see that. You're coming. You're coming. I think I'm going insane. How do I say that? I think I'm going insane, you know. I think I always was going insane. Why do I think I'm going insane? Am I okay? Do I need therapy? I've started to see the symptoms. Oh, it does show. Oh, no, right. no, no, God! Push me, Squiddy! Stop now! Please! Please! Get me to work! What the hell? Squiddies! Squiddies! Ta-da! Squiddies, hola! Squidward, God, the please! I said please, not the big word! Try me! No, actually try me, please. No! Gonna get the porcelain on the fungus. Gonna get the porcelain on the fungus. Oh, fuck, please. What razor wire? Porcelain! Hell yeah! Why have I got the world script stuff there? God damn. You can't beat us! We are the fungus of the fungus! Fungus of the fungus! The fungus of the might! Oh no! Please! Why is it working? Oh my god, the fungus of the fungus is saving the fungus! The fungus has been deleted from the glungus. We have where's all the fungus? Oh my god. God damn it! I might stop at 20 minutes because this is too long to tell. I forgot how to do this. Especially having the conversation. Johnson! Lubo! Try me! Where are these guys? Oh, Leonardo! Control! Mercy, thank you. Mercy. And I think it's like Mercy, bonjour, Mercy. What am I saying? Why am I speaking French? What the heck? Macarena. Hey, Macarena. That clicking noise visiting you are. Burn baby, burn! Burn baby, burn! Try me! You're killing yourself every time you try to kill me! Kill your enemy! YMCA, da 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 YMCA. Bye. Ow, my legs. Brain damage. Subscribe to the channel. Ah! Run like the war. The war is funny. The war is funny. War is bad. Peace is good. But in this game, war is fun and peace is bad. Oh, in this game, not real life game. Listen, it's in real life. No. It's entertain. Wobble dog. I didn't think I'd be making a Risk of Rain video today, but hey, who knows? You never know when there's a Risk of Paint. I'm just gonna play some dumb. Die! yourself now. I think I'm gonna end this video here now because Mr. Risk Up Engineer is here, so